have been part of many interview panels where I have seen the candidates mention Excel as one of the skills they are expert in, but when asked a few questions on it, the expertise fizzled out. In case you're prepping up for your next interview, and have listed Excel as one of your skills, take some time to go through these common Excel interview questions. I have tried to cover all the popular Excel interview questions I have seen being asked, as well as some that I thought could be good to know. This guide can also be used by interviewers who want to gauge the Excel skill of the candidates in the interview. In this video, I list top 20 Excel interview questions with answers with proper examples. To start Excel interview questions and answers session, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get real-time updates of interview questions and answers, which is helping to prepare the interview.
Explain MS Excel in brief.
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet or a computer application that allows the storage of data in the form of a table. Excel was developed by Microsoft and can be used on various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android. Some of the important features of MS Excel are: first is, availability of graphing tools. Second is, built-in functions such as sum, date, countif, etc. Third is, allows data analysis through tables, charts, filters, etc. Fourth is, the availability of Visual Basic for Application, VBA. Fifth is, flexible workbook and worksheet operations. And sixth is, allows easy data validation.
What do you mean by cells in an Excel sheet?
The area which falls at the intersection of a column and a row where the information is to be inserted is known as a cell. There are a total of 1,048,576 by 16,384 cells present in a single Excel sheet.
Explain what is a spreadsheet?
Spreadsheets are a collection of cells that help you manage the data. A single workbook may have more than one worksheet. You can see all the sheets at the bottom of the window, along with the names that you have given them.
What do you mean by cell address?
The cell address of an Excel sheet refers to the address that is obtained by the combination of the row number and the column alphabet. Each cell of an MS Excel sheet will have a distinct cell address.
Can you add cells?
Yes, you can insert new cells into a sheet. To add a new cell, simply select the cell where you want to insert it and then select the Insert option. Select the desired option and then click on OK.
Can you add comments to a cell?
Yes, comments can be added. To add comments to a cell, select the cell, right-click on it and then select the New Comment option. These comments will be visible to all those people who have access to the Excel sheet.
Can you add new rows and columns to an Excel sheet?
Yes, you can add rows and columns to an Excel sheet. To add new rows and columns, select the place where you intend to add them and right-click on it. Then select the Insert option from where you can choose to select an entire row or column.
What is ribbon and where does it appear?
The ribbon is basically your key interface with Excel and it appears at the top of the Excel window. It allows users to access many of the most important commands directly. It consists of many tabs such as File, Home, View, Insert, etc. You can also customize the ribbon to suit your preferences. To customize the ribbon, right-click on it and select the Customize the Ribbon option.
How do you freeze panes in Excel?
MS Excel allows you to freeze panes that will help you see the headings of the rows and the columns even if scrolled down a long way on the sheet. To freeze panes in Excel, follow the given steps. First, select the rows and columns you wish to freeze. Then, select Freeze Pane present in the View tab. Here, you will see the following three options to selectively freeze the rows and columns.
How do you add a note to a cell?
To add a note, select the cell and right-click on the same. Then select the New Note option and type in any note that you wish to. In case you want to delete the note, follow the same procedure and select the Delete Note option. Notes are indicated by a red triangle at the top right corner of the cell.
Can you protect workbooks in Excel?
Yes, workbooks can be protected. Excel provides three options for this. First step, passwords can be set to open workbooks. Second step, you can protect sheets from being added, deleted, hidden or unhidden. And third step, protecting window sizes or positions from being changed.
How do you apply a single format to all the sheets present in a workbook?
To apply the same format to all the sheets of a workbook, follow the given steps. First step, right-click on any sheet present in that workbook. Second step, then, click on the Select All Sheets option. Third step, format any of the sheets and you will see that the format has been applied to all the other sheets as well.
What do you understand by relative cell addresses?
Whenever you copy formulas in Excel, the addresses of the reference cells get modified automatically in order to match the position where the formula is copied. This is done by a system that is called relative cell addresses.
Can you protect cells of a sheet from being copied?
Yes, you can do it by protecting the required cells or the complete sheet. In order to do this, follow the given steps. Step 1, select the cells that you want to protect. Step 2, open up the font window from the Home tab. Step 3, from the Protection pane, select Protection and then check the hidden box. Step 4, click on Review tab present in the ribbon, and then select Protect Sheet option. Excel will not hide the required cells unless you do this. Step 5, specify a password. This will help you in unprotecting the sheet later. To create named ranges, follow the given steps. Step 1, select the area to which you intend to give a name. Step 2, from ribbon, select formulas. Step 3, click on Define Name from Defined Names group. Step 4, give any name of your choice.
How do you create named ranges? What are macros?
Excel allows you to automate the tasks you do regularly by recording them into macros. So, a macro is an action or a set of them that you can perform n number of times. For example, if you have to record the sales of each item at the end of a day, you can create a macro that will automatically calculate the sales, profits, loss, etc. and use the same for the future instead of manually calculating it every day.
How do you create drop-down lists in Excel?
To create drop-down lists, follow the given steps. Step 1, click on Data tab present in the ribbon. Step 2, then, from the Data Tools group, click on Data Validation. Step 3, navigate to Settings, Greater than Allow, Greater than List. Step 4, select the source lister A.
What do you understand by Excel functions?
Functions, in Excel, are used to perform specific tasks. Excel has many built-in functions that are used to calculate results of various formulas, thereby helping in time conservation. Also, these functions make it very easy to execute formulas which would have been difficult to manually write down.
What are the various categories of functions available in Excel?
Functions in Excel are categorized as follows. Date and time functions, day, date, month, etc. Financial functions, accent, dollar, accent, etc. Math and trig functions, sum, sumif, product, sin, kis, etc. Statistical functions, average, count, countif, max, min, etc. Lookup and reference functions, column, lookup, row, vlookup, choose, etc. Database functions, daverage, count, dmin, dmax, etc. Text functions, bottext, dollar, lower, upper, etc. Logical functions, and, or, not, if, true, false, etc. Information functions, info, error.type, type, iserror, etc. Engineering functions, complex, convert, delta, octubin, etc. Cube functions, cubeset, cube number, cube value, etc. Compatibility functions, percentile, rank, var, mode, etc. Web functions, encode URL, filter XML, web service.
What is the operator precedence of formulas in Excel?
Formulas in Excel are executed according to the BODMAS rules. BODMAS, as many of us know, stands for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. That means, in every formula, brackets are executed first, if they are present, followed by multiplication, division, etc.